As an athlete at Idaho State University, I am learning how important nutrition is to my performance. Proper nutrition helps my body have enough fuel for long practices and games. As an athlete, I am extremely busy with classes, homework, practice, weight training, and football games. Nutrition helps prevent injury by keeping me strong and speeding recovery. It really is a challenge to eat as much as I need to fuel and gain muscle, so I've been really grateful for our fueling stations. Through the SCORE program, our sports dietitian has created fueling stations on campus to help us fuel all day long. Along with funding the SCORE program, the United Dairymen of Idaho have donated chocolate milk, yogurt, and cheese sticks for post-workout fuel. Our local Ridley's 5th Street Bakery and Harper's Homemade Bread have donated food to help speed recovery and make sure we aren't working out hungry and weak. Through ISU's SCORE program, I understand that nutrition has to be part of my training for success. Go Bengals!